so cool. Oh my goodness. I just have to press this button and I'll know. Okay, here we go. Hey everyone, welcome back to the makeup chair. Today I am so excited. I'm doing a MyHeritage test. I'm finding out my DNA results today. I'm working with MyHeritage.com. They asked if I wanted to take one of their DNA tests, and it has been on my list to take a DNA test forever. Like, I have always wanted to know more about myself. I am just so excited to figure out where like my body is from, you know? My family have pretty much decided on what they think the results are going to be. I'm hoping I'm going to prove them wrong and I'm going to call them. I haven't looked at it yet, so while I get set up here with my computer, let's jump back in time and see how we actually got here. Hello, we've come back in time. This is a few weeks before I get my results, and I'm actually going to go ahead and do the test, which I'm really excited about. So this is what it looks like when you get it in the post. How gorgeous is this packaging, first of all? Like every other brand, take note, because this is what packaging looks like. And watch, you open it like this, ta-da! And then this is where all of this stuff is. Really easy instructions, like it literally takes like 2 minutes. 2 swabs, I'm guessing 1 for each cheek.
There's a biohazard bag in here.
I've never seen a biohazard bag before. Vials, what do you call these? Is that what they call? Filled with some sort of liquid. So once you have activated your code, which is really important to do, and then you want to remove the swab one of your cheeks for 30 to 60 seconds. And you want to rotate it as you're doing it. Not in 30 seconds. I feel like this has been 30 seconds. Take it and put it into the container and snap it. Oh, I've got lipstick all over it. Is that okay? Oh, there we go. And that's one side done. And then you just repeat it on the other side. Getting the hang of this now. What if it's like inconclusive and they're like, we don't know where you're from? And then I find out that I'm actually not even human. You got some explaining to do, Mom, Dad. Second swab is done. Okay. You just pop them into your little biohazard bag. So everything then goes into this little envelope. And I just need to go and put this in the post and send it to Texas. I wonder if this will like go past my brother. The mail van will drive past my brother at some stage. Deep in the heart of Texas. It actually says on the back, contains cheek swabs from a healthy human. I don't know if you consider me healthy, but okay, I'm gonna go to the post office and send this off now. Hi. Okay, so I got back from the post office. She was like, what's in here? I literally almost said,
a biohazard bag?
and I was like, no. I was like, oh, it's like cheek swab thingies for this thing. And she was like, oh yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I'm not going in that post office for a while.
A few weeks later.
At this stage, I have a password and I got an email saying that my results are in. So I'm gonna log in. Oh, what's my password? Oh my goodness. I'm so excited, but I can't look at the results. I'm gonna record my screen so you guys can see it. MyHeritageDNA. Ooh, okay. I am a little bit surprised. This is kind of surprising for me, but like not really at the same time. I thought it was gonna be like 99.9% like Irish, okay? But we have 74.1% Irish, Scottish, Welsh. Yeah. Scandinavian, that's like my second one is Scandinavian. That's really cool. Finnish, and then we have South Europe. It's only 6.2%, but that's really exciting. I was hoping to get something like outwards more. It's very concentrated in one area. All right, I'm gonna call my dad.
18% Scandinavian.
Yeah. That is so weird, isn't it?
6.2 Iberian.
Yeah.
And 1.6 Finnish.
I was hoping it was going to be more spread out across the world, but...
Yeah, it's not. It was never going to be really. So that means that your mother's side isn't 100% Irish.
My mom won't like being on speaker. She gets nervous.
Hello?
Hi, Mommy. I got my results. You're on speaker, by the way. 74% Irish, Scottish, and Welsh. 18% Scandinavian. 1.6% Finnish. And then I got 6.2% Iberian. When I come home, I'll show you what it looks like. So my family were wrong. They thought it was going to be 99.9% Irish, and I'm actually only 74%. It's weird, but I feel more connected to the world and everybody that's in it. When you do a test like this, it's just the most amazing thing. And it's really easy to use as well. That's what I really like about it. It's all laid out there simply. I want to do more research now. I feel like I've kind of got bitten by the heritage bug and I just want to like do more stuff and just like build a family tree, and it's just so cool. So I'd highly recommend giving it a try. Check out the information box for more details from MyHeritage.com. There's a link down there. Really easy to use, all laid out simply for you, and just the most fun that I've had in forever. You never know, we could end up being related to each other. So do the test, and I will see you guys in a video really soon. Check out the other videos on the screen. Make sure to hit subscribe and like, and I'll see you next time.